welcome back to my channel everyone, and if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. So in today's video everyone, I just would like to share to you about this interesting traditional thing here in France guys, because you know today is the Three Kings Day everyone. Well, here in France, everyone, of course, Christmas is over, New Year is over, so many people actually think, oh, the sweetness overload is also over. Because, you know, during Christmas and New Year, many French people, or we, I think most of us actually eat, you know, loads of sweets, everyone, different kinds of sweets. Do you agree? Because the holidays over, people think, oh, the sweetness overload is also over, but no guys, not here in France everyone, because you know today is the King's Day everyone. So happy Three Kings guys, happy Three Kings. Now here in France everyone, there is this King's Day guys. So during the King's Day, you have to remember this very sweet thing. It's a kind of traditional cake or traditional sweet here in France, everyone. They call it les galettes de Rois. Yes, that means to say the king's cake, everyone. So the king's cake, everyone. So yeah. So do you want to see it, guys? Are you excited to see how it looks like? So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you, everyone. Keep watching, guys. Enjoy watching. So yes guys, this is it everyone. As you can see, it has the crown on it, the king's crown everyone. So you see, the smell is very good and sweet everyone. So I hope you guys can try this. Oh my god, I have watery mouth now everyone because I'm excited to eat. Actually I already ate this before. Yeah. And yeah, so this is it guys. It's very nicely presented, you know, you see. And yeah, I'm going to show you more later. So yeah guys, so this is it. I can have enough of the smell everyone. The smell is very good. Yes, the smell is very good. So this is it guys. So actually this is the traditional traditional sweet here in France. It's a kind of they call it king's cake. So actually this king's cake is usually eaten during the King's Day everyone, or actually most of you guys can actually see this if you are in France. You can see this in many of the bake shops in France everyone. Like in the middle of December, the bake shops start selling this kind of sweet everyone. It's still actually warm, you know. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, they start selling it in the middle of December, and yeah, many people buy it for King's Day everyone. So yeah, during the King's Day we have this one, and in the family they also kind of, you know, eat this, but before they start eating, they actually have this kind of game. Yeah, the game is like, you know, because you're going to slice this cake, and then actually inside this cake there is a kind of this kind of thing which you can get is they in French they call it feb. Yeah, feb. They call it feb everyone. In this cake everyone, it is usually served before serving it, it is believed that you need to slice it in a number of slices, which is enough for the number of people in the house, or even some visitors, in order that, or even maybe for someone who will pass by the house or something like that. Anyway, also for the poor, and you can give one slice to them because in that situation, everyone can have the chance to get the kings, yes, have the chance to be the king or the queen. So how to be the king and the queen, everyone? How? Yes, guys, so actually inside this cake, everyone, it has a kind of, they call it fève. So it's a kind of a porcelain plastic thing inside. So yeah, of course we slice it and we serve it, every slice. So every person has one slice. So whoever gets, or whoever has that fève, everyone, inside his or her cake, will be proclaimed to be the king or the queen, everyone. Well, it's usually the king, but anyway, if women or girls, they can also call it queen. Yeah, so will be proclaimed the king or the queen, everyone. So yes, so after that, they will get to have the chance to wear the crown of the king, everyone, like me. You see? How does it look like, everyone? Oops. So how does it look like, everyone? You see? Yes, guys. So I am the woman, I am the king. Yeah, how does it look like, everyone? Yeah. So yeah, because I am wearing the crown, everyone, so I am the king, or I am the queen, everyone. So in that case, I can do what I want, like the king or queen, everyone. Yes, guys, that's it, everyone. So let's see, guys, who is going to win in this kind of tradition that we are going to have. We're gonna eat this, everyone. I've got water mouth, guys. Keep watching, guys, if you want to know who will be the king. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm going to slice it now because my daughter is here and my husband is at the bar, so I only have my 2 daughters here, but my little one is over there, so I'm gonna be eating this with my firstborn first. So let's slice it, guys. Let's slice. How to slice it? See, everyone? Let's slice it. Let's slice. Oh my God, how to slice it? How can I slice it? This way. So this is actually a little bit flaky, guys. Fluffy and flaky kind of sweets, guys. Yeah. Is that the way to slice it? I'm hungry, guys. So yeah. I think I'm gonna slice it this way. So it's very flaky, guys. It's like croissant, Have you guys tried croissant? Yeah, it's similar to that. Yep. And yeah, let's turn it that way. And this way. Oh, the smell is very good, guys. My God, the smell makes my mouth so watery, guys. So yeah, guys, let's do it. Let's still do it. It's not a day. No, just kidding, guys. Let's do it, everyone. So my daughter is going to pick one. Get one. Get one here. Get one. So my daughter is going to pick one, guys. Come on, get one. Get one slice. You choose.
Did you say about the toy inside that you can get the crown?
I didn't see. Yeah, I explained.
Okay.
Get one.
I think this one.
Come on, because I want to eat.
I just want to eat, not the crown. Make me.
Okay, there. Gosh. Want to get this slice? Okay.
I wish there is here.
Okay.
Hmm?
What? Huh? Huh? Nothing. You're not the queen.
I'm not lucky anymore.
Yeah, guys, let's eat, everyone. What did you say?
And if Chloe finds it, oh gosh, it's okay.
Okay, where's my bonbon? It's very good, guys. It's like that. Everyone. It's so flaky. So yeah, guys, it's very delicious, everyone. So we are going to eat it with Coke, everyone. Yeah, Coke. Guys, unluckily, guys, I'm not the queen. I don't have it here.
Okay, we don't have points.
But I can't finish all. Maybe Papa is the queen.
Queen?
After one slice, we will take one more.
Okay.
Oop, 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 oop. You want to eat? Oh, dali. Come here. Oh, eat boom boom. You can eat this also. Me, there's cake. Come here. You don't want to eat? Hmm? Hmm? You eat cake? Mmm. It's so flaky, everyone. Very good.
I thought you were stuck because of the toy inside.
Very good, guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take one more. Maybe I'll be lucky. And my daughter will also. Coca-Cola glass, everyone. I'm gonna take one more, so maybe I will be the lucky. Yeah.
Oh,
And my little one here, she also wants. You want? Really? Are you the queen or king? Okay, we open.
Or princess?
For you. Okay, bite here, princess. This is for her, guys. Are you
There's
princess?
something inside.
Princess. No, you're not a princess. There's nothing inside. You're not a princess. You are not a princess. I am the queen. Yes, I will take one more, guys.
King.
Huh?
No, not king.
I'm not king? Mommy is king.
Not king.
Okay, queen.
King.
Queen. Mommy is queen? Okay,
No.
very good. And, okay, so I'm gonna get one, everyone. Okay?
No!
Why?
No, there is
No,
nothing.
no.
There's nothing. I know.
No, this is for me.
No,
this is nothing.
there's nothing.
Really very good, guys.
Auntie.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Don't take the table.
Because I saw something in there and I thought you got it.
Where?
There was something white and then it.
you see?
No!
There here, guys. Can you see the white thing? Look. There it goes. Look.
What is that?
Yeah, this is it, guys. You see?
Whoa, it's a necklace.
Yeah, it's not necklace.
No, wait. Yes, it's a necklace, but you put something.
This is it, guys. So you see? It's a kind of porcelain thing. You see? Porcelain. And yeah, guys, because I got it, I am the king, everyone.
Congratulations.
Mommy's king. Queen.
Queen, my gosh.
Mommy's queen. Bizu the queen. Bizu because I am queen. Bizu. Bizu, bizu, bizu. Why? Your food here.
What's that?
You're not the princess, baby. Yes? Oh, hold on, my crown is broken. No, you're not the king. You're not the queen. You're not the princess. I am the princess. Ah, la, 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 la. Yes, guys, so that's really it, everyone, about this Les galettes des rois, everyone. So the king's cake, everyone. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna be the king, I'm gonna be the queen, so you will wash the dishes.
No.
No, you're gonna say no to the king.
No.
To the queen. Right, guys?
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Ali, come here. It's good. You like it? Come here, eat. Eat. Huh? What happened? So yeah, guys, that's really it, everyone. So I have been proclaimed to be the queen, everyone. The king and queen. Yes, I'm the king and queen, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So I hope you guys gonna have fun with your family. And happy Three Kings, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, okay. Don't remove my crown.
You're not the queen anymore.
Just wanna behold you. Time to say